If your dishwasher is not peeling water and the circulation pump is running and not dispensing water, first step, you have to check the water supply. If it is good, then go to the next step. Check the switch, the float switch. If it is clicking, it's good. And the last one is the inlet valve. You have to check for continuity. And this time, I have a defective inlet valve, so I have to replace this one. And test the dishwasher. And now you can hear the hissing sound. The water is flowing already and it's filling up the water. This was